This is how you edit text in a Canva template. Click the text box you want to edit to activate the text field. Then start typing to replace the existing text. Use the toolbar at the top to change font style. Don't forget to highlight the text you want to change the font style. To change the font color, in the top toolbar, click the A icon with a color bar underneath. Highlight the text you want to change the color. If you click Change All, Canva applies that color change to every text box in the template. To move the text, click and hold, then drag the text box to your desired location. Select the text box to change the line spacing or line height of the text. Click the checkered icon to adjust transparency of your text. Click Effects in the top toolbar, then choose the effect that fits your design. Customize the effect using the sliders and color options below each one. To shape the text, select Curve, then adjust the slider to curve the text as desired. Now you can adjust and style your text however you want it. If this was helpful, make sure to follow for more tutorials and tips. Click and subscribe to my Joyful Art channel. Thank you.